Hello, everyone. Welcome to OFC 2021, public demonstration of Keysight's latest solution. My name is Tananya Baldwin. The team and I are very excited to introduce to you our G800 GE. The G800 is the first and only 800 gigabit Ethernet packet blaster in the market. It runs all the Ethernet speeds that are based on the 112 gig electrical lanes. The G800 is integrated with other Keysight equipment such as the M8040A BERT, the DCA, and the UXR real-time scope to gain insights to high-speed electrical implementation challenges. The G800 helps unlock the latest technologies by showing best-in-class error analysis when numerous patents have been filed. The two-port G800 system we're using for the demo today has a native OSFP112 on port 1, and port 2 has discrete coaxial channels. We have a DR8 OSFP112 optics module in port 1. On port 2, our coax cables are connected to an OSFP module compliance board, also with a DR8 OSFP112 module. The two modules are connected through a fiber. Each port is sending to and receiving from the other port.
Okay, both ports are in FEC mode, and let's look at our FEC stats. We will start with the FEC code word stats. I will go ahead and clear stats. So here is our FEC code word stats. These are the basic stats, the basic high-level stats, total code words, prefect bit error ratio. Right now, we're actually also sending traffic, so we can look at our packet stats. We have packets transmitted, bytes transmitted, packets received, and bytes received. These are our FEC bin stats. So here we can see a reasonable FEC tail. Max symbol errors is getting into bin number 2. And if we go to, this is port 1, let's go to port 2. So port 2, we will see similar statistics, although you may notice that the FEC tail has grown a little bit longer in port 2. So max symbol errors is 5, but still a pretty reasonable tail. So now let's go to FEC lane stats. So since we are in 800 gig, there are 32 total PCS lanes. So here we're seeing, here's all our 32 lanes. This is the lane mapping. This is the skew. And, we have lane marker errors, symbol errors, bit errors, and then symbol error ratio, and then a bit error ratio. That's on a per lane basis. And we can go to back to port 1 and see similar statistics. So those are our lane stats. And then real fast, I will show the code word all port stats. So these are showing the FEC code words, but for all ports in the system. So kind of a nice summary where you can see all the ports at once rather than having to cycle through the ports. And we are now in Ebert mode or enhanced BERT mode. So in enhanced BERT mode, we get all the standard BERT stats that I just showed you. But we also, if we go to this pull down menu, we have what's called inferred FEC. So with this feature here, what you're looking at is these are FEC tails for each of the available speeds on the G800 unit, where we're framing the BERT data, and the data is agnostic. So this could be a 31Q or a 13Q pattern, or really anything, and we're framing that. Let me go ahead and clear stats. We are framing that data as if they were FEC frames, which allows us to give us the inferred FEC tails. And the really neat thing I like about this feature is the fact that real time we can get FEC tails for all the available speeds.
And we also support enhanced BERT mode called eBERT mode. So right now this chassis is configured under 2x400 gig mode. And once you go that mode, you can go to settings page to select what you would like to run. So right now, this is a normal mode and it's a FEC mode. If you want to run BERT, you can click BERT. And as you can see in the FEC mode, we have FEC capture. FEC capture, you can, this is how you configure it. You can configure the trigger conditions, what error conditions you'd like to trigger. So you can trigger bit errors, symbol errors, etc. Also, we do seamless, page, we automatically detect the CMOS version, and based on the CMOS version, we have the CMOS pages here, and we also do bitwise, bit-level decoding of the CMOS registers. I find this is very useful because you don't have to look them up in the spec anymore. So, this is page 19. We have all the bit-level decoding, and if you don't like it, you can click and minimize it.
For additional information on how the solutions mentioned today can help you with your high-speed electrical designs, please contact Keysight Sales. My team and I thank you for your time watching our G800 OFC 2021 demo.